Hi, do you know that you can learn how to code from your home? My name is Lara Akim, I am 14 and I am a game developer. Last year, I knew so little about programming languages that could instruct a computer to build games like Minecraft and Candy Crush, until I learned how to code from the NextGen training camp, an online children education platform that empowers young minds between the ages of 7 and 18 to design web pages, develop computer software, and build Android apps. Learning how to code is no longer complicated, especially with the brilliant facilitators of the NextGen training camp, who know everything about programming languages, artificial intelligence, and even robots. You too can become a brilliant coder like me without leaving your home. Hurry to nextgen.africa and click on the Get Started button. Applications are already on. Who knows, we might even meet and build mobile games together.